I feel compelled to share this with you. This has made my absolute flipping day, this has. This guy, Adam King, what an absolute star. I'll put the letter on the screen for you. I tell you what, God, I don't want to get emotional about it, but you know, I've got 2 young kids and I despair about the state of the world that they're going to have to live in. But you know what, it's things like this, and it's a nothing, isn't it? But it just reminds you that actually there are some really nice, kind, sound human beings in the world, and we all need to remember that I think the good guys outnumber the bad guys. They really do. This is flipping amazing. I genuinely don't know what's in this box. I thought I'd do it on camera. Fucking hell, Signet, that's a good brand. Nice little 3/8. I don't own a 3/8 breaker bar. I've only got a 1/2 inch one, so that is awesome. That's that. What else we got? Little magnet on a stick. You can never have too many magnets on sticks. Little Mechanics mini pocket knife. What else we got going on? What's in here? Oh man, they're beta ball end Allen keys. Get the out of here. They are lovely. Fair play. They look like Snap-on. Are they Snap-on? No, Pro Tool. They're nice. Flipping heck, mate. Oh, and these are awesome. I had some Snap-on. What make are they? Cornwall. These are great for carburetor float bowl screws. When you can't get a float bowl screw, that's fucking brilliant. Okay, that makes me happy. Another Allen key. So there's a set of Allen keys, it would seem. They're nice too. AST, don't know that brand. K&D 14mm spanner. Don't know what K&D is, but it looks all right. Ooh, a little Cornwall quarter drive ratchet with a bendy head. I don't have one of those. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Oh, that's beta. 12mm beta spanner. Mate, this is amazing. It's at 11mm. Won't use that often, but I'll take it. Little Torx Allen key. Tamper-proof Torx Allen key. Oh, what's this? A Signet 3/8 ratchet. That's really nice. Really nice. You know what I think I need to do? I need to pay it forward. That's nice. Cornwall. What we got by way of a load of sockets in here. I feel like I need to pay it forward somehow and maybe give some of this stuff away. 14mm. That looks like that's magnetic, is it, in there? That's cool. Spark plug socket. What we got here? Holy smoke, that's Koken. That is nice. I've got some Koken stuff. It's really, really good quality. Made in Japan. That is lovely. 18mm plug spanner socket. What else is there? There's a Sealy 14mm plug spanner socket. Why am I calling it a plug spanner socket? Holy smoke, there's another Koken one. That's a 16. That'll be the spark plug down here. That's the one I use all the time. Oh, it's magnetic. That's awesome. Getting that. Those of you that have never had any Koken tools, they are fucking really nice. Fair play. That's made my week. Do you want to see the rest of it? Koken 30mm socket. Mate, these are not cheap items. Trident, don't know that brand. That's a ratchet to go on your breaker bar. And then there's, looks like there's a set of long, deep impact sockets. What have we got? 12, 10, 11 and 13. The 10 and the 12 I'll probably use. And then other impacts. Anyway, it's getting boring now, is it? What's that, a 19? A 24, use all of these. And a 22. What I'd like to do is... I'm definitely keeping the Koken sockets. They're amazing. But I'd like to... oh, there's a wobble too. That's handy. I'd like to maybe put a little package together for somebody that's just getting in the game. That's a Signet one. And maybe pay it forward a little bit. Because some of this stuff I'm probably, as very grateful as I am, like those spark plug sockets are fucking lovely. And that is nice. I like that. Slightly longer than normal 3/8 ratchet. And the breaker bar, they're amazing. They make me really happy. And the beta T-bar, Allen key T-bars. I feel like I need to, if I can find a young guy that's just getting into it. You know, I remember when I started, didn't have a pot to piss in, and buying tools was a chore, you know. Maybe I could give some away to somebody. I'll have a think on that. Anyway, Adam King, you're an absolute fucking legend, mate. That's really, really made me happy. It just, God, it gives you faith in humanity, doesn't it, somehow? When people are just so kind. Right, anyway, waffle over. See you soon, guys. Thank you.